All right, guys, we are learning to use fractions to describe equal parts of a whole. So the first thing we need to know is that a unit fraction names one part of a whole. So if I have this picture down here, one part of it, I put my 1 on top, and then I have 4 spots. So it is 1 out of 4, or 1/4. Because a unit fraction names one part, our top number, our numerator, is always going to be 1 when we're talking about unit fractions. In this picture, my unit fraction is going to be 1 because our 1 goes on top out of 2 parts, so 1/2. So on these, we're going to write the unit fraction. So remember, unit fraction always has 1 above it, and then also the fraction that is blue. So the unit fraction of this picture here, we have already talked about, is going to be 1 over, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. So my unit fraction is 1/4. I also need to write my fraction that is blue. So there are 3 spots that are blue, and it's out of 4. So if you notice, my denominator is the same for both of these because it's out of 4 pieces, but my unit fraction is 1, and my fraction that is blue is 3. Let's look at this one. So unit fraction again, I know I can go ahead and put it 1, and I'm going to count how many pieces total there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my unit fraction is 1/8. That's how many one piece of that picture is going to be. And when I talk about my fraction that is blue, I know that my denominator is still going to be 8 because the number of pieces haven't changed. The total number of pieces hasn't changed. And my fraction that is blue is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 because there are 4 pieces that are blue. My last one, again, we're doing unit fraction, so I know 1 is going to be my numerator. I'm going to count how many pieces total there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 pieces total. I know my denominator is still going to be 6 because I didn't change how many total pieces there are. But the fraction that is blue is now going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my unit fraction is 1/6, and my ones that are blue is 5/6, okay? It is really important when we're counting like the blue ones that it's not going to be 4 blue ones and 4 white ones, so my fraction is 4/4. That's not what we're looking at. We are looking at that there's 4 blue and then how many total it is out of, so it's 4/8.